They're having a hard time selling the ticket right now.
Right. I mean, I can understand that. It became a new era, etc. But yeah, can I share my story with you?
Go ahead.
All right. So Saturday morning, I'm at the gym, right, and I'm listening to your podcast of Friday's show because I get busy during the week, so I like checking out the podcast.
Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah. And I'm in the middle of a set, benching, right, listening to your show. And for whatever reason, all of a sudden, including the commercials, the rest of the show, at a certain point, just turns into this chipmunk mode. You know, that fast-paced, high-pitched chipmunk mode.
Yeah.
I mean, you're like trading shots with a caller, and I'm in the middle of a bench press set, and it's hard to concentrate. I mean, you're trading shots with this caller. You know, your sister